Carase. Fourth referee is Grace Vicente. Straight, and Santos will jump it up at center court. And the tip won by the guys in white, Ilagan Isabela. Will pop out. Alabanza running into traffic but flips it up and in off the glass. So natapos yung kanyang season last year with the Giant Lanterns. Then during the off-season, got acquired again. Unti-unti na niya nahanap yung rhythm niya. Talking about to si Allen Mina. Gino Mosqueda knocks down the three. Alan Santos. Pinasaan si JP Cawilan. Makes the free from the right wing with Ilagan. They're really sticking to that system of theirs.
And it's good when they do that because I've seen them also play a lot of one-on-ones wherein it didn't work out. But then you can see them just building that.
Ang sabi ni Coach Jello, whatever happens, they need to play and they need to hustle. Back to you.
Yun naman, ang talagang kailangan nilang gawin. Lalo, likes to run their offense. Pass outside. Extra feed. Mosqueda sets up JP Cawilan for another three. 9-point lead by the Cowboys. Jordan slithers down the lane. Found the angle on that layup.
Good closeout here by Marikina to stay in front. Let's see if they can finish it till the end. Oh!
Allen Mina bails them out with a shot clock winding down.
And this is a much smaller lineup now by Ilagan, but it's giving them a lot of floor movement and floor space. Take a look at this. And Marikina, again, just those outstretched arms. They have a tall lineup on the floor right now, and with straight playing the small forward position. And so far, he's keeping in step with all the wings of Ilagan.
It's really nice to see them play together as well, Coach Juan.
They just have to really be able to trust each other, especially moving the ball more. That pagka na-check na ng kalaban is sunod-sunod na yung turnover. But moving the ball has been the secret right now for Ilagan, and that's another extra assist.
26-10. 5 out of 10 from free itong Ilagan. GP Paundo. Galing sa Ilagan, wala pa. Galing sa Marikina. Tabagnot sa kabila naman.
It's another assist tally up.
During the window last season. But now are together with the Cowboys. Allen Mina open free. Pasok yan.
No force shot, no bad pass. Everything is pinpoint accurate.
That shot buried.
Their standards, high level of focus, high level of effort and performance. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Sheila. Allen Mina, nag-iinit na dito sa second quarter. RR. 8 on the shot clock. Pass deflected, recovered by Reggie Boy Basibas.
That's a bailout play there.
Bounce pass, Robbie Celis, pabandang tira.
Again, like I said,
Basibas. That rolls through. Back-to-back baskets by Reggie Boy Basibas.
Casajeros making things happen para sa Marikina.
Now with Escoto. Jetro gets the step, leans in for the basket. Crossover dribble, Kyle. Inside, Art De La Cruz will score.
You can see a lot of screening away, back pick setting up, being set up by Ilagan, and that has done the job.
Marikina almost getting nothing from the outside. Cawilan with a long two-pointer. Basibas shot fake, kicks it out. Escoto off the bounce. Jason Straight line free. Pass to Jason Straight. Behind the back, papunta kay Reggie Boy. Basibas attacks the defense of Art De La Cruz. He will punish him down low. Cawilan. Pinasahan si J-Boy Solis. Binomba pa. Mosqueda. Bounce pass, Kawilan. Great weak side action by Ilagan. Wilson spins. One-legged shot, wala. His mentor, Cabagnot, with a rebound. Gumaru for free. Book it.
6 points now in the ball game. And again, lumobo na naman kalamangan dito ng Ilagan.
Basibas lays it in for 2. 51-35. Celis. Cut by Alan San. No more fouls to game for Marikina. Alex. Just closer. The floater is up and in to beat the buzzer. After that made basket again. Always nice to see athletes from different sports. Siya lang nasa lista dyan eh. Sino ba? Top of head, wala akong maisip. Jomel Landayan, Errol Soriano, Jordan Santa Ana, Harvey Berge, and Reggie Boy Pasibas.
So far, itong si Celis has been making a lot of stops.
Right.
Just contesting those shots. Medyo helter-skelter ang laro natin ngayon.
De La Cruz, pass to the outside, Gumaru. Bounce
Good
pass,
extra pass.
Robbie Celis leaning in, able to score.
You can see them going back to the way they were playing in the first half. So Marikina, they have to stop again, being baited to take those outside shots because kanina namuhunan sila sa loob, sa shaded area.
Suabe, panapos ni Robbie Celis. 8 puntos para sa kanya.
See that again, interior passing, easy baskets para sa Marikina.
Landayan. Pasibas providing the pick. Landayan blocked again.
That's the third block, I think, of Rob Celis.
Escoto pinasok na. Santa Ana. Change of direction. Gliding in for 2.
Unselfish play, but not converted. Here comes Marikina. Attacking the other side. Very tight. Not good spacing for their fast break, but bailout shot by Escoto. Marikina doing a good job creating these stops because it's a 7-0 run in their favor.
Celis face-up jumper. He is now in double figures with 10.
That's how you break the ice.
De La Cruz. Pass back to Cabagnot. Mina. Fading away. Good-looking stroke from Allen Mina. Santa Ana. Barato sa ilalim. Pinasa niya sa labas. Malakas yung tres ni Jason Strait. Napulot ni Escoto. Nice assist inside. Errol Soriano gets 2.
Second chance opportunity. Again, finding the paint.
Celis inalay. Papunta kay Art De La Cruz. Reggie Boy. Santa Ana. Off the dribble. Count it. Plus the foul. Cabagnot. Tumira sa tres. Yes!
Attracting the defense.
Bola na agaw ni Allen Mina. Mina. Hindi na ilang sa depensa ni Jordan Santa Ana. Jason Strait. Stop in his tracks. Escoto, 8 on their shot clock. Working on Kyle Paranada. Jetro using his offhand. That will bounce in. Escoto lets it fly. Left that one short. Faundo there to clean it up.
In the right place at the right time.
Marikina, on the other hand, looking to fend off Bataan. They are at 7 and 11.
The second quarter was well contested, 25-23 lang. Unfortunately, naka-impact na ng kalamangan itong Ilagan in the first quarter.
Landayan!
A fourth three-pointer in the ball game. And Ken, you have to take a look at the number of outside shots already Ilagan has made. They've made 11 three-pointers already.
It's Ona, secures the rebound. Paranada. Nahanap si Cabagnot. Extra pass sa loob. Papunta kay Miguel Ona. Reggie Boy Basibas, Jacob Ubaldo, and GP Faundo. Pass read well by Robbie Celis. Natapik, naagaw ni Basibas.
They have the opportunity. It's just that they lose it to a lot of their miscues on defense, not getting down, not communicating, a lot of open looks, not the spacing that he needed. Again, Faundo getting the job done in the paint.
11 points for GP Faundo.
Yun lang.
De La Cruz with an aggressive drive to the hoop. Pass to RR. Casajeros, no good. Faundo with his 5th rebound. Ilagan has to be careful. 14 points na lang ang kanilang lamang. Pero sabi ni Kawilan, walang problema. Dadagdagan ulit natin yan.
Again, risky drives. Yet paying dividends para dito sa Marikina. Ilagan ay sila ay bubutasan ng Marikina.
Ayaay, sumalaksak. Count it plus the foul. Sibas, short stab. Third offering ang gumana doon.
Because you're making your shots now, but you need stops para lang bumaba yung kalamangan. But again, look, Ilagan saying, you're gonna put a big guy on us. And so that smooth offense, 20 points, hindi susubok ng konti ito Marikina ng ibaba, but then makaka-convert ka agad right on the other side. Everyone clears out, everyone cuts. There's just space to operate. Good spacing, see?
Ang dami na space para kay Alan Santos. Gerard Wilson short. Ayaay bringing the ball down. Up fake. Lost it. Papacio hustles back to get it for Ilagan. One-on-one against Alabanza. Steps back. Shot is no good. Santa Ana, rim run. Gerard Wilson using his offhand for that teardrop. Parang at this point, one game at a time ka rin talaga eh.
Lalo na sila, di ba? Parang sa how complex their offense is.
Napakadaming laro. Daming travel time. And banking on, like you said, chemistry. So the Cowboys taking care of Marikina. Wire-to-wire victory for them.
Marikina will go for that extra pass, and so that has all translated into this huge amount in advantage that they have.
Best player of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. The sharp shooting JP Kawilan na simula pa lang nagpakawala na itong kanyang mga tres para sa Ilagan, Isabela.
And he was there when they needed a bailout shot, right? Magkakaroon ng run itong Marikina, but then Kawilan all of a sudden pulls up a 3 and then creates that distance once again.
16 points for JP Kawilan, 97-85 Ilagan.